Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today by placing your fingertips to your shoulders. Touch your elbows front, lift up, open wide, touch front. Continue with this movement, stretching through your chest, shoulders, and upper back. Reverse directions. Touch your elbows front, open wide, lift up, touch front. Pausing, maintain your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Lift your elbows up and lower, increasing mobility, keeping your shoulders relaxed, moving at your own pace. Release, returning to center. Transitioning into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue with this movement, improving circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Transitioning into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around. Refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Transitioning into modified eagle pose. Reach your arms forward, palms facing downward. Scoop your right arm under your left, with the backs of your hands facing each other, or if space allows, palms to press. Breathe as you send your arm bones forward and up, lifting your ribs out of your waist. Cross your right leg over your left, squeezing your thigh bones together as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Release, unwind your legs and arms, and loosen with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around. Release, repeating modified eagle pose to the opposite side. Reach your arms forward, palms facing downward. Scoop your left arm under your right. With the backs of your hands facing each other, fingertips point to the sky, or if space allows, palms to press. Cross your left leg over your right, squeezing your thigh bones together, feeling your spine vertical, growing out of your pelvis, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Slowly unwind and return to center. Transitioning into a modified seated forward bend, extend through your right leg, placing your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, keeping your right leg active by flexing through your heel. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. and with each exhale, gently folding deeper. Inhale, lift your torso to upright and repeat to the opposite side. Extend through your left leg, flexing through your heel, placing your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your left leg active, rotating your upper thighs inward slightly. Inhale, lift your torso to upright and release, transitioning into modified cat-cow stretch, placing your hands to thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades into your back body, supporting the lift of your chest. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthen your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Transitioning into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Exhale to unwind and return to center, repeating to the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Keep your sternum lifting and your spine long, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.